Okay, hello. This is Rani Ahmed with you. This is lesson about how to use TCL in in or on the Cisco routers. And in this lesson, we're going to see how we can execute TCL commands and scripts inside the router of Cisco. Now, first of all, I'm using here the GNS emulator. Okay. By the way, remember my environment and my everyday environment is Linux, and of course, to run GNS, you need to have the operating system of the Cisco routers, which we call the IOS. Okay, just a minute, must close this one because it's not necessary. So of course the inter-network operating system. Okay, and you have to find and look for this one, Cisco IOS for Dynamics Dungeon and DNS and GNS3 December 2009. It's this is a name of a torrent, so look for this one, this torrent. Okay, now inside this torrent there is of course you have to download using a torrent client like uTorrent. I'm not gonna explain everything. Okay, like uTorrent. I have here on Linux I use qubittorrent. Okay, just give it the link ending with .torrent. Okay, and then you can therefore be able to download, but you don't have to download everything. All you have to do is, let me first go to the folder where I should be, my files are. So this is the whole folder. Look below here. Okay, it says the name of the whole folder. Then you've got like a number of DVDs. Let me make it as an icon view. Okay, so I have 3 DVDs. Maybe a list view would be better, so you can see the names and sizes. So those are DVDs. Okay, now let me see. Okay, not the DVD one. This is the one number 1 I clicked. You just download the DVD number 3, and it has the images for the different operating systems, okay, of the routers. Now the one that for sure without thinking contains the TCL interpreter is version 15, and I used the one that is this one in my GNS. Just a minute. Yep. Okay, so here I go to ISO images and I have this name. Okay, so I just advise you to download WinRAR on Windows and Power ISO. Okay, and I think WinRAR can still open ISO files right on the spot. Okay, and then there are, you notice that in the ISO file there are RAR files. You just extract them, move this file anywhere you like, and tell GNS where it is. Okay, and then as long as it says here that it has to be C72 7200. Okay, this version of Cisco routers, or this model. So what you should be selecting inside GNS3 is the C7200. Okay, then I, just for the sake of the test, and showing you what's and how TCL will be working. Okay, now first we start with first of all configuring the routers, and then go here on the name of the router. You can rename the router also on GNS. Now, by the way, I'm not gonna teach you how to use GNS totally, okay? Just we're going to go so fast into how to configure the Cisco routers quickly, and then just move on, okay? And this is I need to add two fast Ethernets, so that's why you'll see it when you click the menu over here. So you see different types of slots. Okay, all I need is 2 FE. Okay, and I make another one. I drag another one here. Okay, maybe this is an example if I configure it. Okay, and this is another slot, it's empty, so you just add here I want to FE. Okay, I'm not gonna connect this one. Okay, I'm going to delete it even. I don't want it. Okay, this is just all I'm going to do is showing you how the shell will be working. Okay, you can later put whatever scripts you like in TCL. You just watch my own TCL videos. Okay, and of course you will also add to that information and that knowledge the usage of TK. Okay, that will be awesome. So those are my two routers. All I'm gonna do is just ping between them and show you how I'm going to execute these Cisco commands from within TCL. So I'm going to connect them using fast Ethernet because this is what I selected. Okay, now let me see here. Bigger slots. Okay, yes, it has it. So I'm going to select fast Ethernet here. Okay, now I've got 2 Ethernets. Okay, that's their names. Okay, I'll move just a minute. Move this here just so you can see it better. Okay, and then let me move it more nearer. Okay, go to the side, then zoom it. And then I'm going to configure it so fast. Okay, so first of all you have to start start all the routers like here, and then you notice like my processor temperature has risen. Okay, and the processing is like almost 100%. So what you have to do is just do the idle PC. Okay, and it will calculate it for you, and therefore you will get a number. Just you have to be patient to get it, and therefore you get the number. You take the one with the star. Okay, and look, now it's at around 90 degrees. It will drop to 60 and below. Okay, of course not right away, but it will. I take the second one, I do an idle PC. Okay, and I select here. There's no stars, so you select anything, it will go. Okay, see, it must drop. Okay, let's drop more. Try dropping more because I'm recording. That's why you get this high load. Okay, try again. Okay, anyways, So just for now, going to configure, sorry, not this way, oh yeah, go through the console and will open for you two consoles. Just, I'm not gonna save the configuration, so I'm saying no here just for a quick configuration, and same for the second one. Okay, now I can go through enable. This is just quick configuration, config T terminal, and then I go into interface. Okay, I'm using here, look at you have F00 on the R1 and F00 on the R2. Okay, so I'm going to use F00, or you can see like here's fast Ethernet 0/0. Okay, and then I give it an IP address, so 192.168.1.1 255.255. this is the mask address, not mask, and I say no shutdown just for quickly. Okay, make it on, and similarly I just go here to enable the configure T. You can use short conf T's like, and then you say int fa0/0. okay, and then you say IP address, and then 192.168.1. this is 1, this should be of course 2, something in the range of the third octet. I'm using class C. Okay, you should be I mean, you should know all this because you're a network engineer, that's what I suppose. And 255.255.255.0. okay, and I say no shut to make it running. Okay, because initially it's off, and then here just I quit, and then I say let's try pinging ourselves, so 192.168.1.2. so you got the success rate of 100%. all those exclamation marks are on, the 5 ones, and then I go to ping the other mate from R2 to R1. okay, so you got success. Of course the first one is not, it's not a big deal, but there's a success. So if I repeat it, you'll get all 5s. okay, so now I'm going to use now by pressing Ctrl Z, because I'm in the mode of config interface, so which is config F, and I Ctrl Z, and then what I do is I go to the shell or the prompt of TCL, so I type TCL sh, okay, and that's it, you're on. okay, now basically I'm going to show you a little bit of TCL. Please watch the videos of the TCL, the 36 videos that I have. okay, this is just basically the hello world, so this puts hello, or I can just for example say set x or variable or my var, for example, to be like Rani, this is my name. okay, and then I can say puts hello dollar my var, so you set a variable, okay, which holds in memory this value, the string Rani, and therefore in the puts command it will print things on the screen, okay, like the echo of Unix. okay, this is the echo of Unix if you don't know even. so say echo 1 2 3, it will reply back with the echo 1 2 3. so I say puts hello my var, and it will replace my var with Rani, and you've got the word hello Rani. okay, so this is basically just for the echoing of strings, and if I want to echo the output, for example, of Fing, okay, and then you can read the manual of and the videos I have about TCL. okay, so you can later manipulate all the output that you want, okay, from different TCL commands. So if here, this is the magic that we are going to reach is, for example, I want to put exec, this will execute for you ping, okay, and maybe 192.168.1.1, say 2, to ping from R1 to R2, okay. So this is exit, okay. Oh, there's a mistake. Oh yeah, that's it. Anyways, so you notice I put put, should be puts, okay, sorry. So that's it, okay. So this is how you put things into like print things. I could have, for example, put like, if I said something like, just basically I said like, go to the set and set my var or my IP, okay, as 192.168.1.2, okay. This is set now. Now if I go to set my IP, ping my IP, that will do it, okay. See, it made it, I mean, with a ping. So you can later, for example, also, just not to leave you like this, okay, like I can have different a list. Let me see, where is it? Oh yeah, sorry. Okay, you can have a list of different values, okay. I think it's like this. It's a list, and then you start 192.168.1.1. hopefully it is this way it's written. Okay, yes, that's correct. So I have a list now. Now if I want, I'll try executing my IP, hopefully it will work. Okay, no. Okay, so you'll have to make a for loop, okay, just to make it running. For example, let's see, I have to go back to the manual because I forgot about it has been so long. This is my documents, and I go to TCL, okay. And see TCL commands, okay, that's the for each. Okay, so I can use, for example, this method, okay, and just put like every one in X. Okay, this is our for each, for example, because we have the list. So I can do this. I can do for each for example, IP and dollar my puts, my IP, anyways. So it should be something like this. I have to fix here with this, hopefully it's the correct syntax. Okay, yes, that's it. So you ping the first one, you ping the second one, and that's it. Okay, so this is a quick way to show you how we can make use of TCL. Okay, and I hope that you liked it. Please subscribe and your comments. Thanks.